Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 29. Dear students, today we'll learn about ordinal numbers. A number telling about the position of something in a series, such as first, second, or third, is called an ordinal number. Look at this picture. You see some children running a race on the track. From the right side of the page, their positions are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. It is interesting to note that the first child is winning the race because he is first on the track towards the winning post. Wow, that's wonderful. Let's have activity time. Let's do it. Draw the line to match the correct position of cars. You see, some ordinal numbers have been written in bubbles with cars. The only thing you have to do is to write the missing ordinal numbers in given bubbles. Write second, fourth, fifth, seventh, and 10th in blank bubbles. That's wonderful. Respectable teachers and parents explain ordinal numbers in detail so that the children may understand what they actually mean. Teach them the concept of ordinal numbers by making them stand in a queue, one after the other. Teach them to pronounce all ordinal numbers well so that they may fluently tell their right pronunciation. Teach ordinal numbers to children up to 10th and make them practice over and over again so that they may excel in learning them by heart. Appreciate the children and clap for them for their great interest in learning ordinal numbers and their right pronunciation. Thank you.